In this tutorial, you will learn how to restore your premium membership on any platform or device you have. To do this, you will need an account with us. If you've already created an account with us, you're ready to proceed. If not, please refer to our account setup tutorial to get started. Once you're logged into your account in the app, navigate to the top menu and tap on the Premium button. Here you'll find the option to upload your active premium membership to the cloud. Keep in mind that you can only upload your membership from the platform on which it was originally purchased. This allows us to sync your premium data from the original purchase to the cloud. After successfully uploading your purchase, it will appear in your list of memberships. You can re-upload or remove this purchase at any time without it affecting your original platform-specific membership status. To restore your premium membership on another device, simply open the app on another device, log into your account, and go to the Premium tab again. Then simply click on the membership you uploaded, and your premium membership will be restored to the current device. Keep in mind that you can only be logged into one device at a time, and it requires an active internet connection. Logging out means your associated membership will also be revoked. The premium membership can always still be used offline, but only on the platform you made the initial purchase on, using your platform-specific account. Creating an account and uploading your membership with us simply enables access across multiple platforms, giving you more flexibility. And that's it.